Today I am going to talk about using JavaScript how to change HTML content. Here this is we this is the example we lastly talked about. Here this is the button, that is this, and this is HTML content h1 tag, that is this. Here if I click this button, it will call hello world function by one click. If I click to button, it will call hello world function. In hello world function, alert hello world. I am going to create another button. I change the one click function as change p tag function. Then I change p tag content. Then I add here p tag. I add the ID for that. I name it as p tag. After that, I create new function, that is change p tag function. Open bracket. Then I write document dot get element by ID. ID is p tag dot inner HTML is equal to hello Hasita. I save this. I open this and refresh, change p tag content, then hello Hasita. I can change this as here default p tag content for clearness. Then I open and click here default p tag content, change p tag content hello Hasita. Now I am going to add a text. Input type text, ID I name it as fname, just like first name. Then I save this. I click enter here. This is the one. Then I open this. Then I add another button. Change fname fill fname as Hasita. I am going to write inside that text box with Hasita. Then fill fname function. Okay, then I copy this function. This is fill fname function. After that, document dot get element by id. The id is if name. Then this is not in HTML. This is value is equal to Hasit. Then I save this and refresh. Fill f name as Hasit. Just like that. Okay. I think you understand how to change content in HTML using inner HTML and also how to change text box text input value using dot value.